Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD. Today is Sunday, January 29th, 2023. It is 2:42 and 35 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, toxicology. So let's jump to it here. Most United States, children use potentially toxic makeup products, often during play. Children can be exposed to lead, asbestos, and other toxic chemicals through the use of makeup and body products. Date January 26, 2023. Source: Columbia University's Mailman School of Public Health. The scientists found that most children in the United States use makeup and body products that may contain carcinogens and other toxic chemicals. The study, based on more than 200 surveys, found that 79% of parents say their children 12 or younger use makeup and body products marketed to children like glitter, face paint, and lip gloss. The prior research has shown that these products often have toxic chemicals like lead, asbestos, PFAS, phthalates, and formaldehyde in them. Toxic chemicals found in children's makeup and body products, CMBP, like heavy metals, are especially harmful to infants and children. And these chemicals, whether intentionally added or present as contaminants, have been linked to cancer, neurodevelopmental harm, and other serious and irreversible health effects. As there is increasing evidence of harmful ingredients, often included in adult cosmetics, and CMBPs, and children are more biologically susceptible to the effects of toxicants. In this context, it is important to uncover how makeup and body products are being used by children to characterize risk and improve safety. The researchers surveyed children. About 54% use CMBP at least monthly, 12% use CMBP daily, about 20% use CMBP for 8 hours or more at a time, and a third of them reported unintentionally ingesting the products in the last year. Over 1/3 of the surveyed children are Latino, and 65% of those children use CMBP compared to other racial groups. Latino children reported using CMBP more often and more for play. And this study comes as some states, like New York, Washington, consider tightening the consumer regulations around toys, makeup, and personal care products. The children are particularly vulnerable to adverse health risks associated with chemicals often found in makeup and body products. In addition to dermal exposure through the skin, behavioral patterns such as hand-to-mouth activity may increase exposure to products through unintentional ingestion. Additionally, children's small body size, rapid growth rate, developing tissues and organs, and immature immune systems make them biologically susceptible to the effects of toxicants. It is alarming that industry is being allowed to sell makeup and body products marketed to children that contain extremely toxic chemicals. The findings from this study can help federal agencies better understand how children are using these products and will hopefully spur agencies to act to protect children from toxic chemical exposures. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.